Hi, Assalamualaikum. So now we are in week 7. So new topic. We just jump around to this new topic. Before that, starting next week, I'll be doing some work for LPM. So our class will be a bit different. Maybe I will give a task. Maybe I will give you some week off before the school start and let you finish all the tasks that I have given you guys. So before that, let's turn to page 17. On the second unit, food. Disregarding food, you can read here on the things that they want you to learn in this topic. So today we are going to do reading on page 18 as well as on page 19. So the first thing that you need to do is to do A. You can do it by reading the article of an olive for life, and then you need after you read it, you can answer question 1 till question 4, and then read the incomplete sentences. Read this thing. The answer is here in E. You can choose it from E to put the answer into the blank. So after that, you need to do D. These are words that you can find in the text. In the text from here until here. I'm not sure why this book always jumble around all the articles in different pages, but that's how it is. So I want you guys to do D without using any dictionary by just reading the article. And then after you finish D, look at F, read this thing, and then you need to answer G. G is the exam task. There are 10 blank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So try to answer using this thing. Answer just write A, B, C. No, just write the words anyone, everyone, no one, someone into the blank. And then lastly, I want you guys to write a bit on this thing. Is your country famous for a particular food? Do you enjoy it? Why or why not? So that's the first one. The second one, do you prefer to eat at a restaurant or at home? And then tell us why. Would you rather eat a salad or vegetable with your main meal of the day? Why or why not? Okay, try to answer these three things as well. I just want to know about you guys. And then remember, whatever task that I have given you guys, make sure you compile it properly so that you can bring to school on the 1st of April, where I'm going to review your work as well. Okay, that's all for the task for today. Thank you very much, guys.